TikTok. अच्छा नहीं, अभी start नहीं हुआ. Momo, mute all of them and just keep the and the participants will unmute.
Muted.
दादा अनम्यूट.
हेलो. हाँ भाई. Momo, enable screen sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Fact and Muhammad Ali, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay, guys, welcome to the 6th episode of the online cricket quiz. We've got Ismail Firoz from Team Masti, Muhammad Ali from Team Hurricanes, Shadab from Team Dabangs, and Fahad Qureshi from Team Net Squads. Let's have the rules for the first round, please. So this is not a buzzer round. You've done the randomizer, and you get 4 questions, one per player. You get 10 points for each correct answer. There are no negative markings, so you can just answer. Even if you don't know, it's okay. If you get it wrong, you don't get negative. All right. And anyone who speaks out of turn will lead to negative 10 points. There will be no warnings here directly. Okay. Now, how the game is going to work is that first, I think Ismail is going to start, right? Yeah, Ismail.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's going to happen is the next screen will have few clues. You'll have them on screen for a few seconds, I guess 5 seconds, and then after that, I'm going to ask you 3 questions back to back. Answers are in those slide before, but I mean, you just have to tell them one after the other, and there is no time buying there. If you don't know, it's okay. We can go to the next question as well.
I can try. There is no negative. Yeah.
There is no negative. You can try.
Okay.
All right. So if you're ready, let's start. QJ, let's have
Yep.
the first screen, please. So the set of answers for your first set of questions will be that's time up. The player is going to be AB de Villiers. Okay. And now I'm going to ask you 3 questions back to back. You just have to keep shooting out your answers to me. And once your 3 questions are done, we'll see your answers. So we're not going to say correct, incorrect, or not. After the 3 answers are done, questions are done, we'll see your answers. All right. Okay, guys, all the best. Let's start. Let's get the first question, please. His record of fastest 50, 100, 115 ODIs all came against which team?
India.
Sorry?
Australia.
Okay, next question. Apart from cricket, in what other profession he has gained popularity?
Accounts.
Okay. He affected 10 plus dismissals and scored 100 in the same test against which team?
India.
Okay. So let's see the correct answers. The correct answers are West Indies, he's a singer, and Pakistan. So unfortunately, no positive scores over there, but fortunately, no negatives as well. I understand it's the first round. Everyone's playing for the first time. It's hard on you, but then that's how the game is. All right. Well done, Ismail.
Wasn't I the last to go?
No, you're the first to go. All right. Thanks, Ismail. You can mute yourself. Next is Shadab. Shadab, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, let's start. Let's have a set of answers on screen now. The player is going to be Steve Smith, and the questions are: he was banned from international cricket for ball tampering saga in Cape Town. In which year?
2016.
Okay, next question. Against which team he was involved in a DRS controversy for seeking help from the dressing room? Next
India.
question. For which IPL team he played in 2019?
Rajasthan.
Okay, I'm gonna take India over there. I'll take it. I said next question, but I'll take it over there just for the scorers to know. Let's see the final. Let's see the final answers. The answers are 2018, India and Rajasthan. So I guess you've got two correct over there. All right, well done. Participants, be a little quicker because it's supposed to be an immediate answer. To try and be as quick as possible. You don't want to be stuck where I've said time's up and then you're on your way to say the answer. All right. Okay, let's move ahead. Next player is Ali. Ali, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The set of answers will be on screen now. The player is Tilakarantne Dilshan. Let's have the questions. He was the top scorer in which year's ODI World Cup?
2011.
Okay, next question. Which shot has he invented?
Daily Scoop.
Okay. He was awarded World T20 Player of the Tournament in which year?
2011.
Okay. So you got two 2011s there and Dale Scoop. Let's see the answers. The answers are 2011, Dale Scoop, and 2009. So over there you get two right, and that's 20 points there. Well done. Moving ahead, we've got Fak. Fak, are you ready? You can mute yourself, Mohammed. Fak?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's have his answers on screen, please. Okay. Time's up. You're talking about Mitchell Marsh here. So let's have the questions, please. He is the son of.
Jeff March.
Okay. He won the Under-19 World Cup as captain in which year?
I think 2009.
Okay. And he made his test debut in 2014 against?
England.
Okay, let's see the answers. So Jeff Marsh is correct. 2010 and Pakistan unfortunately are the wrong answers, but good try. Thanks for keeping up the pace. Well done. All right, guys. So that's end of round one. Let's have participants from round two coming up, please. Participants of round one, you can mute yourselves. Thank you. So round two is going to be played by Firoz Morawala, Viswa Kumar, Pawan Bhagnari, and Suraj Menon. Can we have the rules, please? So this is a buzzer round where you are going to play a score sheet with blanks. You get 4 score sheets, 2 questions per score sheet. That's 8 questions, 10 marks for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer after calling the buzzer. And there is no pass, and time allowed is immediately after the buzzer is identified by the host. Anyone speaking out of turn gets a direct negative -10.
Just to make sure, am I audible?
Yeah, Viswa is audible. Everyone else can just do a quick.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Hi.
Firoz done, Suraj done, and Pawan Dada is also done. Dada?
Thank you. Yeah, all well.
Okay, all right, perfect, all right. So everyone is online. Everyone has read the rules, seen the rules, so we can start the round. QJ, let's have the first scorecard, please. First scorecard is ICC
Firoz.
Champions Trophy. Firoz, go for it.
Fakhar Zaman
Okay,
and Sarfaraz Ahmed.
okay. So your answers are Fakhar Zaman and Sarfaraz Ahmed. Let's see the
Yeah.
actual answers. QJ, it's Muhammad Hafiz and Fakhar Zaman. So you get 1 right and 1 incorrect. Anyway, but that's good speed. Let's move ahead to the second score sheet, please. Pakistan versus India. Vishwa.
Yeah,
Saurabh,
Saurabh, 1 minute. Yeah.
Saurabh
Yeah,
Ganguly is
Vishwa.
one answer.
Yeah.
And what is the next question?
You
What is
should
the
have
next question?
waited for me to answer. You should have waited for me to ask you that.
-10.
Saurabh
Alright,
Ganguly is, hello?
Saurabh,
2003 and,
Ganguly.
2003 and Saurabh Ganguly.
I'll give it to you. All right. Saurav Ganguly in 2003. Let's see the answers, please. Yes, Saurav Ganguly in 2003 are the right answers. Guys, playing this round, if you would want to wait for me to finish, you would know exactly what you have to answer, rather than asking me what you have to answer after calling the buzzer. All right?
Okay.
Yeah. Third scorecard. 2003 West Indies versus Australia, the famous 4-1-8 game. Guess the two blank batsmen.
Firoz,
Yes, Feroz.
Shivnarayan Chandrapol,
Okay.
and Ramnaresh Sarwan.
Okay, let's see the answers. The answers are Ram Naresh Sarwan and Shivnarayan Chandrapal. Well done. And let's move on to the last scorecard. 2001 Kolkata, Australia's tour of
Feroz.
India. Yes, Feroz.
Rahul Dravid and Lakshman score is 281.
Rahul Dravid and Lakshman score is 281. That's the right answer. Well done. Superb sonic speed. Excellent. So this brings us to the end of round 2. Momo, can we have the scores, please? Sorry, I didn't ask the scores in the first round.
Yes, sir. 1 second. The scores are Death Squad at 10, Dabang 40, Masti 45, Hurricanes 20.
Okay, so Firoz turned around the scene over there for his team, leading from the front. Well done. Okay, can we have participants from round 3, please? Round 2 participants can mute themselves. Thank you. So round 3 is going to be played by Murtuza Najam, Ankit Dani, Fahad Merchant, and Ali Abid. Guys, can you please check your mics and videos, please?
Can you hear me?
Dani is here. Fahad Merchant is here. Ali Abid, Murtuza Najam. Fine. I can see all.
Yeah, Malam, you can hear me?
Yes, fine. All of you are here. Thank you very much. We've done the randomizer. I guess Najam is going to start first. Murtuza Najam, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, fine. These are the rules for the game. There is no buzzer round. We've done the sequence. It's via randomizer. You get 4 questions, 1 per player, 10 points for each correct answer, -5 for each incorrect answer. Time allowed is only 10 seconds. Anyone speaking out of turns will get 10 points, negative 10 points. All right. Najam, you know the rules, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you can stop saying, if you are not confident, you can stop at 3 players or 2 players, or you can be a
Okay.
shabbo and finish them in 3 seconds, whatever. All right. Okay. All right. Let's have his players on screen, please.
Ajinkya Rahane, Virat Kohli, Michael Clark, Joe Root, and Pandya.
Okay. Let's see the answers there. The answers are Michael Clark, Hardik Pandya, Ajinkya Rahane, Rashid Khan, and Joe Root. So unfortunately, you got Virat Kohli, which was incorrect. The answer was Rashid Khan, but still 4 out of 5 is. Did you get Joe Root right, Mo?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So how many right?
4 right and 1
4 right
incorrect.
and 1 wrong.
Yeah. Yes, 4 right and 1 incorrect. Okay. Thanks, Murtuza. Next is Bha. Bha, ready?
Yep.
All right. Let's have the photos on screen, please.
Kuldeep Yadav,
Time's up. So the answers were Mahela Jayawardena, Ramiz Raja, Tim Payne, Kuldeep Yadav, and Mohammad Shami. You got 1 right over there. So we'll mark you accordingly. At least you didn't get any negatives. All right. Well done. Let's move ahead. Ali Abid, you're next. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get his
Sunil Narayan, Moin Ali, Ben Stokes, Morgan, Ian Morgan.
I'll take Morgan there. Let's see the answers. Moin Ali, Ben Stokes, Ian Morgan, Sanat Jayasuriya, and Sunil Narayan. So 4 right. Well done. You missed out on Sanat Jayasuriya, but that's okay. Well done. All right. Moving ahead, we've got Ankit Dani there. Ankit Dani, ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go for it.
Sunil Gavaskar, Tilak Ratne Dilshan, Butler, Josh Butler. Then
Time's up.
Quinton de Kock.
Time's up. Time's up. I can't take Quinton. Time was up. Let's see the answers. The answers were A.B. de Villiers, Jofra Archer, Sunil Gavaskar, Dilshan, and Josh Butler. Thank God I didn't take Quinton de Kock. So you got 3 right answers there. Well done.
Ankit was ready to jump.
बच गया.
Chalo, well done, yeah, well done. Momo, scores please.
Yeah. So this episode's round points are Masti at 90, Dabang at 70, Death Squad at 50, and Hurricanes at 30.
All right, and the total
Cumulative
scores
scores
are.
are-
नजम का 35 होएगा.
किसका?
नजम का 35 होएगा, 45 नहीं होएगा.
4 right and 1 wrong.
हाँ,
बराबर.
तो 40 minus 5.
35, correct.
Thank you, Mo.
Thank you,
Mora.
bro. So these are the points. Still leading. Still leading.
All right.
बोरा
Okay.
भाई आप हमारे ग्रुप में नहीं हो यार.
All right, guys, that's end of round 3. Now we'll start round 4. Round 4 has very. This round is going to be a firework. I mean, I've got very hot heads playing this game. Anil Adnani, Rishi Ramchandani, Pratik Jain, and Adnan Khamosi. All right, so PJ is finally not in his car but in his seat. So that's bad
Madam, you
news
can
for the
hear me, right?
participants.
Sorry, you can hear me.
Yeah, Adnan Khamosi, you're clear. Anil Adnani,
Can you
your
hear me?
mic check.
Malam?
Hello.
Yes. Thank
Malam,
you.
can you hear me?
And yes, Rishi, you're clear as well. All right. Other participants, other PJ, you're clear. Other people not playing the round, please mute yourselves. Guys, let's have the rules, please. So it's a buzzer round. You have to call out your name. If you call out the answer, you get negative points for that. Anyone speaking out of turn will again get negative points. 10 marks for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer if the buzzer is called. No passing. Time allowed is immediately after the buzzer is identified. If the buzzer is not clear with me, I'll check with Momo. His call will be the final call. All right. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let's start. Let's start with the game. I like the pace of this tournament today. I mean, this game is going really fast. I like it. All right. Let's start, QJ. Who is the only English player to be awarded the player of the tournament in an ICC tournament?
Anil.
Yeah. Anil.
Adnan. Peterson.
Anil.
Kevin Peterson. Kevin Peterson.
Kevin Peterson is the right answer. Well done, Anil. Question number 2.
Malam, can you hear me? Because I think I said.
Which team is the only team to lose a 60-over ODI final, 50-over ODI final, and 20-over ODI final in ICC tournaments?
Anil.
Momo?
Pratik, I only heard Pratik.
Yes, Pratik. Pratik for me as well. Pratik, go for it.
Is it India?
India is the incorrect answer.
Australia?
England.
The correct answer is England.
England.
Adnan, I can hear you. I can hear you well. I can
Okay.
hear
All
you.
right. Okay.
Okay. All right. Question number 3. Who holds the record of most number of not outs in Test cricket?
Anil.
Yes, Anil.
Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the incorrect answer. Usually,
Is it
Test cricket not outs. You think of tailenders, who would play it out. Let's see the answer.
Is it Walsh?
Oh, what a player, Ankit! What a player. The correct answer is Courtney Walsh. Well done. All right, let's have question number 4, please. Who holds the record of highest
Pratik.
individual score as a
Pratik.
night watchman?
Pratik.
Yes, Pratik.
Jason Gillespie.
Jason Gillespie is the right answer. Can you guess his score?
201, I think.
Yes, 201 versus Bangladesh, and that was on his 31st birthday. Fun fact.
And
Well
his retirement game as well, I think.
Probably. Yeah. QJ, you should have mentioned that. I'm talking to Pratik over here. I need to have my
I don't
information. All right. Okay. Let's move ahead with the 5th question, please. Who amongst the following won the 1986
Anil.
World Cup without
Anil.
playing? Anil.
Can I see the?
No.
Anil, you're mute.
Yeah, but can I see the question? I'm seeing your faces. Where's the screen gone?
The question moves away when the buzzer. So
Okay, then Opal. I have to take a
Opal
guess.
Chandana.
Opal.
Okay, you'll take. Okay, fine. We'll take your guess. Let's see the correct answer. Let's see the options first. Vijay, can we have the options? Guru Sena, Opal Chandana, Maroon Atapattu, and Hashan Tilakarantne. Let's see the answer. The answer is Marwan Atapattu. Okay.
I didn't know the question is gonna disappear.
No, it's been moving since we've started playing this round and the rounds previous to that as well. All right.
Yeah, I didn't know
Let's
that.
see.
It's fine.
No problem. Question number 6. Name the batsman.
Anil.
Rishi.
Anil.
I heard
Marlon
that.
Samuels.
Rishi.
Hey, I said Anil, man.
Marlon
yeah,
Samuels.
I've got Rishi as well. Yeah, Marlon Samuels. Yeah. Okay. Guys, just one more thing. When Momo and me are discussing, wait for me to confirm the name. Okay, because it could be a fact that Momo and me have got different names.
Yeah.
No issues. Yeah. All right. Okay. Question number 7. In a recent interview, which Indian player was named by Rashid Khan as one of the most difficult batsmen to bowl to?
Anil.
Yes, Anil.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Let's see the answer. The answer is Hardik Pandya. Okay, so this brings us to question number 8. Let's have it. Which Zimbabwean wicketkeeper retired from cricket at the young age of 24?
Adnan.
1 minute. Momo, I got Adnan. What about you?
Yeah, Adnan.
Adnan, go for it.
Tatenda Taibu.
Tatenda Tebu is the right answer. Well done. Question number 9, guys. Who is the only player to be awarded man of the match in the final of ICC
Anil.
Champions Trophy?
Anil.
Yes, Anil.
Man of the match in the finals. That's gonna be Sachin. Sachin.
Come on.
Sachin Tendulkar is the incorrect answer. The question, you should have seen the last word. The answer question was ICC Champions Trophy twice. Any guesses?
Yuvraj Singh.
No, this is
Shane
the Champions
Watson.
Trophy. Shane Watson is the right answer. Shane Watson is the right answer. 2006 and 2009. All right, guys. This brings us to the end. Final question of the round. Let's have it. Who was the captain of Australia in 1987 ODI World Cup?
Prateek?
Yes, Prateek.
Is it Alan Border?
Alan Border. Let's see the answer.
The clue was in the password.
Alan Border is the right answer. Well done. So thank you, Momo, for telling that to the viewers. We thought we'll wait for the viewers to see if they can find the trend. So we've been giving answers in the password of the Zoom link. One answer was always there. All right. Anyway, thank you. Let's have the final scores, Momo.
All right.
100 के ऊपर गया हूँ.
So the final scores are Dabangs at 80, Masti at 70, Death Squad at 65, Hurricanes at 40. And the total score after 2 episodes with this group is Death Squad at 120, Dabangs 95, Masti 80, and Hurricanes at 20.
All right. So that says, I mean, I would say Hurricanes are still not out of it. I mean, if they come up with 2 really great performances, they can still qualify. But it's definitely a 3-way battle in the top. That spread should not take it lightly. I mean, Masti and
Our
Dabangs
money on
are never taken lightly.
Me and Aman, we are banking on Death Squad. What's up, guys? Well played, yeah. Well played, boys.
How many
Momo, come
minutes do
down.
we have, Momo?
Sorry?
How many minutes do we have remaining?
I do not know. 1 second, let me see.
Arey, Momo, come down.
Coming. I can't see the camera right now.
हाँ भाई.
मेलम वो जो इंग्लैंड वाला क्वेश्चन था ना 2013 चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी वो 50 ओवर टूर्नामेंट था वो 2020 में डाला है.
नहीं 20 ओवर का फाइनल भी हारे हैं. चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी वो 20 ओवर का मैच हो गया था वेस्ट इंडीज वर्सेस इंग्लैंड का. तो वेस्ट इंडीज जीत गया था.
अच्छा ओके.
मोहम्मद हमजा विलायत वाला भाई.
और एक और चीज पूछूंगा मैलम. वो जो वसीम जो गिलेस्पी का आंसर था वो गिलेस्पी पता है, लेकिन वसीम अकरम ने भी 254 मारे हैं। वो नाइट वॉचमैन नहीं था?
नहीं वो नाइट वॉचमैन नहीं था।
उसने 270 वसीम अकरम ने 275 मारे।
254 या 257 मारे थे।
257
नाइट वॉचमैन
वो नाइट वॉचमैन की तरह नहीं आया था। नहीं
वो नाइट वॉचमैन आता भी नहीं था, वो प्रॉपर बैट्समैन खेलता।
भाई उसकी उसकी बात है, तुम उसको नाइट वॉचमैन बताओगे?
बैट्समैन व्हाट अ प्लेयर।
लेकिन वो मैलम तुमने वो 2013 चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी डाला उधर, इसलिए मैंने पूछा।
कोई बात नहीं। नाइस ऑब्जर्वेशन। आई थिंक
Bora good calculation, bro.
Constructive observation is always welcomed.
थैंक यू।
नहीं तो फिर मीम आएगा, आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है तो फिर दूसरों को उंगली मत करो।
So guys, thank you very much. We'll take it on the group.
By the way,